Hi, this video is just going over the part about each chemist and their claim to fame and how you should organize the slides, what should be in them, etc. So you need to provide a detailed description of what they are most famous for, explain this in your own words, why it was so important to the world, what prior knowledge did this discovery build on, and what future discoveries did it help bring about. So I'm going to be using Pythagoras as an example, not a chemist, a mathematician. I used animation to present an image of him. The prior knowledge that Pythagoras used was based on squares and triangles. Again, those were a couple of animations. I had the slides, the square and the image of the square appear from below, and then the triangles came from above. And then an animation just now to have this bottom statement appear, which says to develop the Pythagorean theorem, which he is most famous for. Now, the Pythagorean theorem, here's a statement for it. It's based on the square of the hypotenuse of a right triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So here's my right triangle, and then you'll see how these fit into that. Okay, now most of you probably know Pythagoras' theorem as a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This is where it comes from. All right, so the area of these two squares equal that area, which is one side of this square right here is the hypotenuse. Why is this useful? There's lots of different uses. I just chose land surveying as the one example and image that I wanted to include for Pythagoras' theorem. The future discoveries in mathematics that this helped kind of pave the path for, some trig identities such as sine, cosine, and tangent. And that's it. That's what you need to do for each chemist that your group chooses.